Well, I will be showing my setup today, as you call it, the jugaad kind of thing, which I'm sure all teachers are doing it. They have their own ways of finding out solution, and yes, we have to accept that we teachers are quite, creative and innovative with our thoughts and everything. This is nothing new. I'm sure many teachers are also doing, but in case some teachers are still having problem with holding their camera in one hand and taking the online classes and switching between the videos on and off, I think this can be a solution to their problems. So I'm just showing my setup. This is how I'm doing it for the past couple of days or months, you can say, and I'm finding it quite easy now. So I'll just show you. This also I got hold of during this lockdown period online, because I had to do it on this, because when we do it on copy, we don't get that much amount of space as we get it in our classroom when we are doing it on the board, whether it's the green board or the white board. So I got hold of this white board. It's a double-sided board, so this side it's white, the other side it's green. That also I'll show you. So this is how I work, and this is how it goes. So I'll just pan this, and so that you can see. Yes, so this is how it works. Okay, so that's my mobile. This is a setup that I have done. So I had this box. You can just pile up some books, and I have just covered it up so that it looks a bit decent, and then you place a ruler. Make sure that it's a thick one, otherwise it will slide. It might not be able to take the weight of your mobile phone. So take a thick one, like this is quite a thick one that I have taken, and you place it here, and then you keep another heavy book on top of it, and then when you place your camera, see, you can do your work here, and that will become visible to your students. And I'm sure you can also shift this side according to your requirement. Okay, that you can do. You can also adjust your camera up and down. A bit of exercise has to come from your part. I'll just turn it on once again, just a minute. So that has to be done. You have to constantly shuffle. You have to see that your video is on, your camera is not going off or turning black. So these things you have to keep in mind. So this is my setup, and this is the whiteboard where I have done the solution. This was a sum that I was doing today, so this was the solution. It's clearly visible. It's in quite easy for the students also to see it. Now I will be turning this, and I'll show you the other part of the board, which is the green board. So this is how I do it. Okay, I am doing it right now. So I'll turn and show you the other side also. Yes, so this was the green side. For this I use chalk. I will be using chalk for this, and for that side I will be using my marker. So both ways it's easier. So I have the sum here, I have the solution that side. You don't have to, if you use a double-sided board, it's even better, because you don't have to rub off your sums while you're doing it. So the sum is also there, the solution is also there, so it becomes easier for students. Like sometimes they want to look back into the question part while they are solving it. So you can just turn. Yes, again, it's a little difficult. People don't understand the kind of effort that we are putting in maybe, but it's quite difficult to turn it on and keep on shuffling between the whiteboard and the green board. But then nothing is impossible if you really want to do it. So it's not easy. It's not a child's play. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of effort, a lot of creativity, innovativeness from the side of the teacher. I, being an entrepreneurship teacher, this is something that I keep on saying, and I'm saying this is nothing new. Teachers are doing it all over this way. I'm just showing it to my friend, to my colleagues who are still having problem, that this is how you can manage, So I think that it's easy. So I'll end it here, hoping that this has helped you. If you have your own techniques, please share it, so that we teachers have better resources and better options. You know, the more we have, the better. So thank you. This was mainly for the fellow teachers and not for my students. Okay, students can also see it. Just see. We are trying our best, and I'm sure you will put in your best too. We'll meet again. Thank you.